today I'm going to do my part 1 review of the Aigo Aurora C5. This one will replace my current RGB fan in my system, which is the Thermatec Ring RGB. That set was pretty expensive when I first bought it. It was 2 or 3 years ago. It was $140, something like that. But within a year, the LED failed, and I got too lazy to do an RMA. So now I have time. So I bought this Aurora C5 from Amazon for 60 bucks. I got $10 off. So it's original price 70. I was waiting and looking for something that actually maybe look nice and doesn't take a chunk out of my wallet. So here's the box of the Aurora C5. So the Aurora C5 means that there's 5 fans. If you see Aurora C3, that means there's 3 fans. If you see Aurora C, that means there's only 1 fan. So as we open the box, you see the 5 fans, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this, right here, this is a Velcro. This is the controller, which controls fan speed, mode, and LED. And this is the first fan. Wow, looks really nice. I like the clear matted look with the white fan. It looks really nice. That's the second one. And that's the third one. Fourth and fifth. I mean, these looks really nice. I hope that it looks nice now, but when I turn on, the LEDs look good. Yeah, I mean, I think maybe it's gonna be worth the price 60 bucks once I get it all set up. But I won't be able to set this up until the next couple days for my radiator from EKWB to come in so I can refinish my system.